Welcome back, everyone. It has been an incredible week in markets. Let's get right into the market moves with you as we come into the end of this market week. You're seeing the S&P 500 rally off lows in today's trade. Now, we had a jobs print on Friday morning that came out 100,000 higher than the expected, and it did create that knee-jerk reaction higher. However, even with wages up and that number at higher, we did see markets sell back down into roughly the midpoint of Thursday's range. Rallying off the lows is something that we were expecting, and that's effectively what we're getting into the end of this week. Now, a close above 572, 573 opens the door for more. Is that a likely outcome? The incredibly powerful tools that Rob Hoffman, the only 33-time real money on-site domestic and international trading champion, has developed over decades, the Champion Trend Pack Toolkit, as you can see here, is showing the Russell back into a buy signal state with the Champion cross zone expanding. Same with the Dow, same with the S&P, and all led by the NASDAQ. When we look at a 4-hour chart for each of these key indices as we move into the end of the week, these futures contracts, you'll note that they were in sell signal states. They are trying to work themselves out of that, and we are almost at the apex for the Russell and above the channel. Same for the Dow. When you look at the S&P, it's already well above the channel and headed up to try and break out above that champion trend sell zone trail line. Same with the NASDAQ. Now, we've already got a buy signal state on the current 4-hour bar for the NASDAQ and for the S&P. It is a signaling state that is mixed but positive, supportive of a rise to at least test that champion trend sell zone trail line, if not higher. Breaking out above there opens up more upside, and courtesy of China overnight, well, Hong Kong, and of course, seeing the jobs print, we've got this blast off in markets that is setting things up potentially for a test of the all-time highs. How is this market going to react to the most important event as we move into the election for 2024? Well, we have got the biggest, the best, the most significant financial event that you cannot afford to miss into the end of this year to take you through strategies with special training that Rob has never done. He's going to be with you each day. Special training I've never done. And of course, you're going to get to hear from Lori. You're going to get to hear from Dr. Keith. And Ted is also going to be making an appearance. I look very much forward to seeing you at the summit to learn the strategies that key traders are putting to work in markets in real time right now. They're going to share those with you. I'm going to share mine with you and give you some strategic outlook on how this market is likely to play out in the weeks and months to come. A transition of significant proportion is at hand, and this summit will address exactly that and much, much more. Get your seat now by going to joinziad.com, click the link at the end of the email, or simply go there and get yourself situated. This is a do not miss event, courtesy of Wealth 365, direct to you at your home office. Enjoy the summit, get ready to go. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Have an incredible weekend, folks. Looking forward to seeing you at the summit. Go to joinziad.com now.